have two conductors.
Guess who's back in Enugu?
Go.
Oh yeah, you have to call customer to come now.
Enter. Keke, bata.
Butter. Which one is Keke Uchenna? This one is not.
Ababa.
Reunited with my
Where are we
crew.
going?
It's time to head to the village.
For only 1,000 naira, one drive.
No,
1 meter.
50 naira. 50 naira.
50 naira.
As if I never left.
How you pay your salary?
Adult 50. Children 5.
5 naira. See the driver was.
And while High Chief is enjoying his chin-chin, Uche is already complaining that I have to pay him his salary as conductor.
Please give me chewing gum now.
Who's
Give me
your-
chewing gum.
Who's your auntie?
You are my auntie now.
No, you said riding is for free, no money for you. Because
Auntie, please.
which kind conductor do you? Pota.
Good to be home.